Hey guys, I went to Arby's for this video. Um, I wanted to try their Thanksgiving sandwich, the Gobbler. So this will be the second Thanksgiving sandwich I'm trying. So I've already tried the Subway. First, Hamkin, I think is what they call it. I guess this will work. And I also got the apple pie shake. There's a better cheese ball in the thumbnail, but okay. Let's see what we got in here. Oh. Okay. Looks like we got the turkey. I think crispy onions, maybe? The cranberry sauce. The stuffing. At the bottom with some cheese. Alright, there. Yeah, and this looks a little off because I'm not in my car. I'm in a rental car. I've got my car in the shop right now. But yeah. Let's try this out. Is that mayonnaise? Yeah, that's mayonnaise. I thought that was all cheese, but it's mayonnaise. Okay. This is definitely better than the Subway one. Meat-wise, like the turkey and everything. Because you can really taste the turkey and everything. I think the cranberry sauce is throwing me off a bit. Because it's not giving the cranberry sauce, like, it's not tasting like cranberries. It's got the kind of jam jelly taste or whatever. As of right now, I like the Subway cranberry and stuffing better. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's just the cranberries I like better. The cranberry sauce I like better. Cause I just got some of that stuffing. It's really tasty. It's got some good flavor to it. So yeah, I think it's just the side of the sandwich. I've got the other half over here. But yeah, the turkey and everything, a lot better than the Subway. No, let's try the shake. Okay, I like this. I like this. It really does taste like apple pie, like the apple pie filling and everything. That's with the cinnamon and even even though they don't have like crumbles in here to mimic the crust, you still kind of get that crust, I guess, flavor in a way. I like that. That's good. Just checking. Didn't want it overheating. I'm gonna finish this sandwich off real quick. And then the bread they use isn't bad either. Yeah, I'm gonna put this as second. Or, yeah, I mean, first. Not second, it's first. And then it'll be Subway. And I do have 2 more places. I have these sandwiches, the Thanksgiving sandwiches. I'm gonna head up. So yeah. This is definitely up there in the first place. And then Subway's in second. No. But yeah, guys, let me know if you've tried the Gobbler from Arbys yet. And if so, let me know what you thought of it. And hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.